Thermal error compensation. Due to the effect of multiple heat sources during machine operation, structural parts, for example, machine bed, worktable, ball screws, have a relative displacement, leading to inconsistent thermal expansion at different times. Traditionally, long test runs are required to stabilize machining accuracy, resulting in low operational efficiency. Thermal error compensation provides a packaged solution on measurement, modeling, and compensation. By temperature sensors installed at key locations on machine, it collects real-time temperature data and combines it with the machine structure model and thermal deformation pattern to accurately predict thermal error trends, effectively reducing warm-up time. In the thermal error compensation interface, users can configure relevant parameters for target axis and perform test runs. Deformation measurements are then taken via laser interferometers or manual methods, and the collected data is imported into the system. The system automatically works out thermal error compensation parameters. This function significantly improves machining accuracy retention and enhances good parts rate.